Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm another box break guy. It's been a minute, but finally we are back with some more Dragon Ball Super card game. Power Absorb, the latest set, just released a few days ago. Our first booster box, and we're going to open it. Let's go. All right. It's just taken a long time to get back into Dragon Ball. I have not been able to find any product of the last set that came out anywhere. And then Power Absorbed, I was on the fence about what I was going to get with this, how much I was going to get. Picked up a few booster boxes, so we'll start there and see how I like the set. I haven't checked it out too much. I did look at the SCRs, however, and going into this right out of the gate, this is my least favorite set from a secret rare perspective. I don't like the artwork on any of the secret rares. So if we get them, obviously it's fantastic because secret rares worth more. Rare, harder to get. But I'm more interested right now in finding out what else we got in here. Super rare and special rare wise. Alright, here we go. So we got the 3 secrets, 15 specials, and 18 super rares. So no more character rare like we had in the last set. So nothing like a Son Gohan rare. So this, again, is leading up into the B21. This is B20, which will have a God rare. So we'll go all out with the God rare again. Probably get a pre-order a case. See if we can finally pull a God rare. But that's not why we're here. We're here for Power Absorbed. First box. Box topper. Love that we get that. And we get a super rare Android 18 Krillin super powered spouses. For those of you who've been here for a while, you know how we do, but in case it's your first time checking out the channel, let's tell you how we do this. When a new Dragon Ball set releases, at least for like probably halfway through the box, first box, we will look at every card. Just checking the cards out, right? As we get through more packs, you're going to start to see the same cards again. So we want to keep it going. So when we get to that point, we look at the last 2 cards only. And we do a little quick check for a God pack. And if not, that's when we switch to the last 2. But again, we're first pack into the set, so we're going to look at them all for now. Krillin Absolute Guard. Fu Shemming Overlord. Volerator Warrior Universe 3. Hercule Expecting Unexpected. Krillin Geared Up for Battle. Trunks Spirit of Resistance. Cell Common Enemy. Prison Planet. Cell Powerful Query. Kibito Kai. Katara on display. Our first foil. My Ace in the Hole Common Foil. And a super rare first pack. Look at that. Son Goku Universe at Stake. Not bad. Look at that. First, well, technically my second secret rare. I'm sorry, second super rare. Because I got the box topper. But my first one from a pack. And I think that's a better art than what the special rares look like. I'm sorry, secret rares look like. What is wrong with me? That's how you can tell it's been so long. I'm misspeaking the names and the rarities. Like, sheesh. Come on. Let's get back into the swing of things. Deadly Clash. Warriors of Universe 3, United as One. Leader backs, we got flip it over. Pepperoni. Android 21, Wavering Will. Son Goku Beyond Full Power. Oob. Cooler Evolutions Premonition. Vegeta Indomitable Spirit. Unstoppable Technique. Majin Buu Intelligence Manifest. Hellfighter 17 Calculated Cruelty. These Dragon Ball has the longest names in cards. Fu, All According to Plan, Rare Foil, and Super 17 Hell's Avenger. If I recall correctly, we should be expecting 5 super rares and 2 special rares per box. Again, could also be a secret in there, but we'll see if I was right at the end. Cucumber Battle Frenzy. Android 21 Bewitching Battler. Great Priest, Declaration of Annihilation. Panchea, Team Attacker. Dabura, Gogeta, Blistering Barrage. Android 18, gearing up for battle. Spirit Bomb, Shocking Regeneration. Android 18, Powerful Quarry. Android 21, Wavering Will, uncommon foil. Android 17, Supporting a Sister. Majin Buu, Talent Manifest. Warriors Universe 7, United as one, leader back, flip it over. Android 17. Son Goku to Hell and Back. Son Gohan, Spirit of Resistance. My Ace in the Hole. Koitsukai, Team Attacker. Hercule, Expecting the Unexpected. Frieza, Common Enemy. Majin Buu, the Innocent. Android 21, Mandatory Gathering. Android 17, Supporting a Sister. Rare Foil. And Vegeta, Against All Odds. Nararama, Mechanical Technician. Majin Buu, 2 hearts. Fu, Assembling the Strong. Vegeta. Trunks, Spirit of Resistance. Trunks, Prisoner from the Future. Evil Saiyan, Thirsting for Battle. Spirit Bomb. Pepperoni's Tactical Orders. Android 20, Vengeful Alliance. Android 18, Impenetrable Rushdown. That's a leader back, but I'm not going to flip it yet because we got to see what we got in the back. A regular rare. There's Android 18. Son Goku, Betting It All, leader back. Son Goku. Pan, Spirit of Resistance. Android 17, Axel Dance. Son Goku. Dabura. Android 17, Calm Judgment. Android 18, For the Sake of Family. Android 16. Majin Buu, Nightmarish Glimpse. Android 18, Gearing Up for Battle. Vegeta, Buying Time, Rare Foil. And another regular rare. We've been striking out ever since that first pack. Frieza, Pride of an Emperor. Son Goku, Majin Showdown. Babidi, Behind It All. Krillin, Defense Battler. Dende and Purunga, Third Wish. Baller Raider, Warrior Universe 3, Prison Planet, Dr. Mew, Vengeful Alliance, Majin Buu, Desperate Defiance, Shocking Regeneration, Cell, Powerful Quarry, Common Foil, and just a regular rare again. Android 18, Krillin, and Marin, Family United. Android 18, Axel Dance. Cucumber Battle Frenzy. Great Priest, Declaration of Annihilation. Panchea, Warrior Universe 3. Majin Buu, Heart of Good. Krillin, Gearing Up for Battle. Explosion of Malice. Yara, Cell, Powerful Quarry. Kefla, Warming Up. What's that first Kefla? Hellfighter 17, Calculated Cruelty. Common Foil. And a super rare Son Gohan, Strength of Conviction. Again, look at that artwork. Another one I think looks better than the Secret Rares. Nice. It's our first box. We'll take anything. And hopefully, don't get many duplicates with the few booster boxes that I picked up, because that would be unfortunate. Krillin helping his family. Warriors of Universe 3 United is 1. Pepperoni. Yeah, I knew we got that one already. Evil Saiyan, Incipient Malice. Oob. Great Priest Declaration of Annihilation. Bolerator Team Attacker. Android 16. Kibito Kai. Potara on display. Evil Saiyan Thirsting for Battle. Explosion of Malice. Majin Buu. 2 Hearts. Uncommon Foil. And a regular rare. Android 17. Impeccable Defense. Evil Aura, Overflow, Krillin Axel Dance, Vegito Unexpected Separation, Son Goten Spirit of Resistance, Cucumber, Cumber Captive Fighter, Baller to Team Attacker, Cell Common Enemy, Dende Laying the Foundation, Cumber, Kai Energy Absorb, Krillin helping his family Uncommon Foil, a regular rare Cumber Furious Frenzy. Android 21, Bewitching Battler. Super 17, Ready to Absorb. Son Goku betting it all. Oh, leader back. Yeah, we got that one already. Majin Buu, Heart of Good, got that one. Vegeta. Android 18, For the Sake of Family. Frieza, Common Enemy. Majin Buu, Budding Evil. Cell, Powerful Quarry. Majin Buu, Intelligence Manifest. Pan, Spirit of Resistance. Uncommon Foil. A regular rare Son Goku, Otherworldly Infiltrator. Hell Fighter, 17, Plans in Motion. Android 20 and Dr. Mayu. Fu, Scheming Overlord. Wow. Majin Buu, Heart of Evil. Gogeta, Blistering Barrage. Android 17, Brainwash Fighter. Panchea, Team Attacker. Kibito Kai, Potara on display. Hell Fighter 17, the Brainwasher. Majin Buu, Budding Evil. Bulma, Helpful Cheer. Panchea, Team Attacker, Common Foil. And a special rare Majin Buu, Vile Onslaught. Our first SPR of the set. And that's pretty cool looking. Krillin Absolute Guard. Narirama, Mechanical Technician. Trunks Prisoner from the Future. Bobbity behind it all. Gogeta, Blistering Barrage. Koitsukai, Team Attacker. Cell Common Enemy. Pepperoni's Tactical Orders. Android 18, Powerful Quarry. Cumber again. Common Foil. And a super rare Android 21, In the Name of Hunger. Look at that. So far, I'm happy with the artwork of the super rares and special rares, so let's keep that coming. I'm also at the point where I might not be ready to go right to the last 2 cards, but we're going to be at the point where we're not going to be calling out every card. Unless I think we have not saw it yet. Majin Buu, Apocalyptic Awakening. That one. Android 21, Mandatory Gathering. Explosion of Malice. Spirit Bomb, Common Foil. And that Fu Owl, all according to plan. Let's do a pack check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down to our final 10 packs. Definitely have some hits left. At least one more special rare. A few more super rares. Super 17, Bound by Blood. Son Goku. Son Goten, Spirit of Resistance. The Bura, Common Foil. And then Son Goku, Golden Dragon Fist. Evil Aura Overflow. Android 18, Impenetrable Rushdown, leader back. Android 18. Krillin Defensive Battler. Android 16. Android 18, Axel Dance. Uncommon, foil. Vegeta Buying Time. I could be totally saying that wrong. Is that Axel? Not an X in there. A cell? A cell dance? Axel dance? I'm going with Axel. Cumber Maddening Force. That's a cool looking card. When we get that in a foil, that is going to be sick. Leader back, flip it over. You don't say, yeah, that's just awesome. They should really do foil on both. They only do it on the back. They don't do it on the front. But man, that would be awesome. Android 17, Axel Dance. Hercule, Expecting the Unexpected. Android 18, Gearing Up for Battle. Common foil. And a special rare, Son Goku, Berserk Instincts. That is awesome looking too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should have 2 more super rares, I believe. That's what we're shooting for. There could always be a secret still left in here, but 7 packs, at least 2 more hits. Let's go. Yeah, that's the last pack. We're looking at the cards. We're going to go to the last 2 after this. Krillin Gearing Up for Battle, Common Foil, and a super rare Android 18, Helping Her Husband. It's my least favorite one so far. Alright. Now we speed things up from here on out, including future openings of this set. Check for God Pack. Nothing there. Last 2 cards only. Nappa Full Scale Attack. Rare Foil. Android 21 in the Name of Peace. Son Goku Spirit Bomb Hope. Rare Foil. And the same thing. Look at that. That's happened to me a few times. And some other sets with Dragon Ball. Cooler Evolutions, Premonition, Common Foil, and a super rare Universe 7 Powers Combined. Look at that. That is a cool looking card too. Man, they could have, like, it's really just around all the characters, nothing within the characters. I think they really could have beefed this up, made it like a special rare or a secret, and did some more with the characters. Like, I love the artwork. Like, the whole stance is cool, but might have missed the mark with the extras there. But again, that's because it's a super rare. I mean, I'll show you real quick what I'm talking about. So as you can see in the special rare, there's more of the shiny definition, foil within the character itself too, not just around. You don't get that. You don't get that with the super rares. Frieza, Pride of an Emperor. What am I doing? Last 2 cards only. Already forgot what I was doing. Goku and Vegeta, Path to Victory. That's a leader back, uncommon foil. I can't flip it over yet. Now we can. Look at that. That's another one that's missed. Look at that artwork. That is straight fire. That needs to be a card on its own. Man. Like that, the foil on the front, or technically the back is cool, but wow, that would have been awesome. Sheesh. Alright, that's 2 packs. I can't remember where we're at. We got one more? I don't remember. Gogeta, Blistering Barrage, Common Foil, Son Gohan, Daring Onslaught. Alright. Do we have last pack magic? Android 18, Selfless Savior, rare foil. And the same thing again. That's twice in the same box where we got the same card back to back. Alright, our recap. Universe 7, Powers Combined, super rare. Son Goku, Berserk Instinct, special rare. Android 18, Helping Her Husband, super rare. Android 21, In the Name of Hunger, super rare. Majin Buu, Vile Onslaught, special rare. Son Gohan, Strength and Conviction, super rare. Son Goku, Universe at Stake, super rare. And then, of course, our box topper, Android 18, Krillin, Super Powered Spouses, super rare. Alright, that was fun. I mean, no secret rare. Again, I mean, you can't expect that one out of the first box. It's happened to me before, but I mean, that's very, very unlikely. Plus, again, like as cool as it would be to open a secret rare, that's not what this set was all about for me. It was one, and first and foremost, was open it for you all, so you can see, take you along with the ride as always, so you can have these openings with me. But also wanted to check out the super rare special rare, see what they're like, and really just get back into Dragon Ball, warm up a little bit before the next set. Again, with the God Rare coming out, going to go full force with that like we've done in the past. But this is for you all. We've got a few more boxes. If we can find some premium packs in the stores, we'll get them in as well. But as always, thank you for checking out the channel. Appreciate you stopping by. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing and turn on notifications. You'll be updated when I'm dropping videos just like this. Until next time, have a great night.